Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can recover the files if you lost it in your phone. Google Drive is an excellent place to help you back up all of your data in safe and secure cloud. So even if you lost your phone somewhere or if your phone was stolen, all of the data in your Google Drive will still remain in your Google Drive if you have your account's password and email, and recovering all of those items will be as easy. All you have to do is go on to Google Drive, and after you go on to Google Drive, you can select all of the files that you want to back up and download, and you can see simply clicking on the download option will help you recover all of the lost items. If you can't find your files here, you can also go onto the My Drive option here on the left hand side, and you'll be able to see all of the folders as well. Not only that, other files that are not showing up on your home screen will also appear here. And that is how you'll be able to recover your lost data on your phone in your Google Drive if it has been backed up. So make sure to sync your Google Drive to your PC or laptop. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.